Hi, welcome back to Norma's Beauty Corner. So I am back to do another review, and in today's video we're going to be looking at this Pat McGrath quad eyeshadow palette. This one is called the Iconic Illumination Eyeshadow Palette. So we'll look at the packaging, I'll give you guys an up-close look of this palette, show you some swatches, and then definitely do the makeup look, and then give you my final thoughts on it as well. So for those of you who are new, hi, welcome. My name is Norma, and I love doing beauty reviews, and if these are your type of videos, you should consider subscribing. And definitely click the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And for those of you who are already subscribed, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. I'm glad to see you back. So if you want to know more about this eyeshadow palette, then let's move forward. Alright, let's get started with the video. Alright, so we're going to be looking at this Pat McGrath quad eyeshadow palette. I know she currently does have several other quads, and these, or this one along with the others, I believe have been out for a while already, and they might have been out since Christmas of last year. So this one currently retails for $65, but I was fortunate enough and lucky enough to get it for half price, so I got it for $33. Shipping wasn't bad. I think it was like I got it within 4 to 5 business days, so it's not, I thought it was reasonable. So this one here, the packaging is gorgeous. I mean, I am loving these diamonds here and these bows. And I do like her initials here, very nicely embossed. And the closure on these palettes are, on these quads, they're just the same as her large palettes, where they usually just come with a little string and you would just kind of unwind it, and it just kind of opens up like this. So it's very pretty. It does have the ingredients on the back and the name of the eyeshadows as well. So it seems like the quad itself is made out of the same material that her larger palettes are made of, and so there's definitely some weight to this quad here. Very nice. It does have her initials here as well, embossed, very nice. And then definitely there's engraving here along with her initials again, so it's pretty nice. On the back it says use without caution, shade throwing and eye ecstasy may result with prolonged use. That is so cute. Yeah. All right, so the box does come with this little insert here. So it does say the eyeshadow names, specifically where they are. So I know on the back it does have the eyeshadow names as well, but you really can't tell which one is which, versus on this one it'll tell you specifically which color it is. So I would keep this if I were you, because there's no names on the palette itself. So I'll go ahead and open up this palette to give you guys an up-close view of it. So it does come with a mirror, very nice, beautiful mirror, and just look at those eyeshadows. They're very, very pretty. Yeah. All right, so I'll give you guys some swatches, and then I'll move straight into the makeup look, and then as usual at the end I'll give you my final thoughts on the palette. So I'm going in with Blitz Brown as my transition shade, and then just pulling that color across. And now I'm using Blitz Bordeaux as my lid color. Very gorgeous color. And I'm just packing it in there. And I'm going back in again with Blitz Brown as my outer corner and crease color. Just really trying to define the crease there. And then the outer corner, as well as darkening it a bit more to give it some contrast. And now I'm just blending out the crease. So I'm not blending it all the way to the top because I still want my transition shade to show. But just making sure that the crease looks smoothed out. And so now I'm just blending out the outer edges so there's nothing rough. So it looks all smoothed out, even the corner. And now I'm going in with Brulee from MAC as my eyebrow bone highlighter. And I'm lining the bottom lid with Blitz Brown. And now I'm highlighting with Astral Gold Allure, this beautiful champagne-y color. Really gorgeous for highlighting. And now I'm using my NYX's Epic ink liner. I love this eyeliner. I love the felt tip. It really gives you some great precision there. So I love that, and it's waterproof as well. Great eyeliner. And now I'm using MAC's blotting powder in Deep Dark. I use that to contour a bit. And now I'm going in with Chanel's Sunkiss ribbon blush. Gorgeous blush. It mixes all the colors in there, sort of pinkish, orangey. And now I'm going in with Estee Lauder's highlighter in Heat Wave. It's a very gorgeous highlighter as well. I love the highlight. And now I'm going in with Armageddon from Blackmoon Cosmetics. Since I'm wearing red, I thought this lip color would be perfect. Very metallic looking. Love it. Now I'm putting on my eyelashes, and these are from Allure. I love these eyelashes. And now I'm going in with the mascara from MAC, the 3D. Beautiful mascara. Alright, so I am back with the completed look. I really like how this look came out. Really do. The eyeshadows are beautiful. And they performed very, very nicely. Very buttery, soft, fluffy. I mean, you can really blend them very, very nicely. There's no patchiness at all. Good quality eyeshadows. What I found interesting through the makeup tutorial is that when I used this brown one here as both the transition and the crease color, I was really surprised how it was so easy to just use it very lightly as transition, and then the moment I was ready to use it for for deeper color on the crease and on the outer corner, that it really built up. I was able to build it up to that rich color intensity that I wanted to use on my crease and my outer corner. And I was able to build on this too. I mean, all of them, they're just beautiful. You have full control over these eyeshadows, and there's no patchiness. They blend very nicely. So I am really liking this palette. I know these palettes are kind of pricey. I would highly suggest that you get on Pat's newsletter. She does have sales. She'll notify you through email when there's a sale going on. And sometimes you'll get a 10% discount code, and you can use that on top of the sale item, which is a bargain. And on top of that, she gives free shipping. Yeah, you can't beat that. So that's especially good if you've never tried Pat McGrath's and you're not sure. That's a great way to start off to try them out for yourself. So yes, so this concludes the video. I had so much fun doing the tutorial for you guys. You know, just giving you my thoughts and my point of view on using this palette, and I really enjoyed myself. I hope you like this video too. So thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in a different video. Thank you. Bye.